For 30 years now, we've designed iRobot products with one consideration in mind: how they'll improve people's lives. That's 30 years of looking at specific problems and building the right solutions, so that robotics can look like this and effortless tech can sound like this. At iRobot, the technology used to find explosives and study oil spills has evolved to map your home and clean your floors. And our app is opening up a future of possibilities in the smart home. So as homes get smarter, more connected, and more automated, our products will too. Innovation, quality, dependability, backed by excellent customer service and the iRobot warranty. That's the iRobot difference.
What to do when power failure comes? While you're cooking, while you're working. Worry no more. It's time for MILIN Portable Power Station. The built-in premium lithium-ion battery packs will ensure stability while longest-lasting life cycle for your power station. Amazing cooling design thanks to cooling fans on both sides. With MILIN Solar Power Station, you can continue enjoying time with your family worry-free. Continue to enjoy your favorite meals. Continue your urgent work. Don't let power failure interrupt your life. Thanks to the compact size, you can easily carry around MILIN Solar Power Station for backyard or outdoor use. MILIN Power Station is rechargeable by wall outlet and USB-C simultaneously that takes only 4 hours. It is also fully rechargeable by car outlet and fully rechargeable under sunlight by connecting a 100-watt solar panel. Feature the 100-watt PD USB-C output, the latest worldwide fast charging standard to bring seriously fast charging speeds to your devices. Carrying a huge capacity of 622 watt-hours and more choice for outlets, whether you're going on a road trip, camping, hiking, hunting, or fishing. MILIN 622 watt-hour solar panel station is the way to go.
The Flo-Master hose reel features a 65-foot hose with stopper guide to prevent overlapping. Along with its convenient carry case, the unit makes winding a hose or having them tangled on the ground no longer an issue. The Flo-Master hose reel can be mounted on a wall or a post according to instructions. Simply connect the reel to the mounting bracket by aligning the holes and inserting the metal pin. Once mounted, the hose reel can swivel 180 degrees. To use this unit, simply screw the hose connection into the spigot, connect the nozzle, then turn the spigot on. When using the hose, pull it out to the desired length and it will lock in place. Once finished, tug on the hose and it will retract back. The nozzle has 8 spray patterns which include triangle, jet stream, mist, soaker, flat fan, center, shower, and cone. To store the unit, turn the water off at the spigot, remove the hose connection from the spigot, then pull the pin out and carry your unit to storage.